Hello friends, so today I have come up with a new recipe, lemon coriander rice. So for that I have boiled rice. This is for up to 8 to 10 servings. And while boiling rice, you can add few drops of lemon into it so that it is not sticky. Then I have taken onion, one yellow capsicum, green capsicum, carrot, red capsicum and French beans. You can take these colored capsicums so that your rice looks pretty. And I have made this coriander paste. So let's start. Well, this meal is not only tasty but it is also packed with all 5 nutrients, which is very important for our body. So first we have rice, which gives you carbohydrates and proteins. Then you have dahi. You can eat these rice with dahi or with raita, whichever suits you better. So dahi is an excellent source of protein as well as probiotics. You have capsicum, carrots, which are filled with vitamin A, beta carotene, etc. Onions, they contain insulins, which is great for weight loss, and it is also good for diabetic patients. Then you have tomatoes, which are good source of vitamin C. And lastly, the main ingredient which we used in this is coriander and pudina, which is filled with antioxidants and are full of fibers. They also contain vitamin A and vitamin C in trace amounts. So we will start with the coriander paste. So for that I have taken a pinch of hing, 1 spoon of jeera, sugar according to your taste, salt according to your taste, half lemon, 1 piece of ginger, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 8 to 10 chilies, half a katori of pudina and 1 big katori of coriander. So we will grind all of this in a mixie jar. So after grinding for 15 to 20 seconds, this will be your consistency of the paste. Now we will start with the rice. Four spoons of oil. And 2 spoons of ghee. Ghee gives a very nice flavor. Now we will saute onion till it's pink in color. Now I will put all other vegetables and saute them for about 5 to 6 minutes. The veggies are cooked properly, we will add the coriander paste. And mix them properly for about 30 seconds. This is ready, we will add rice. Now we will mix this properly. We will mix it slowly so that the rice are not broken down. Also you can add 1 spoon of salt if you wish to. And here our lemon coriander rice is ready. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe below. Thanks for watching.